Ethical hacking is the practice of legally and ethically penetrating computer systems, networks, and applications to identify security vulnerabilities before malicious attackers can exploit them. The most critical aspect of ethical hacking is obtaining proper authorization. Ethical hackers must always have explicit written permission before testing any system. This legal boundary separates ethical hackers from cybercriminals. The hacker mindset is built on four core principles. First is curiosity, the drive to understand how systems work and why they behave in certain ways. Second is problem solving, the ability to break down complex challenges into manageable parts. Third is persistence, the determination to keep trying different approaches when initial attempts fail. Fourth is deep system understanding, knowing not just what to do, but why it works and how systems interconnect. Hackers are commonly categorized by their intentions and methods. White hat hackers are ethical security professionals who help organizations improve their defenses. Black hat hackers are malicious actors who break into systems for personal gain or to cause harm. Gray hat hackers fall somewhere in between. They may find vulnerabilities without permission, but typically disclose them responsibly. Our focus is on white hat ethical hacking, which provides valuable security services while staying within legal and ethical boundaries. Cybersecurity is a rapidly evolving field. Ethical hackers must commit to continuous learning to stay current with new threats, technologies, and defense mechanisms. The security landscape changes daily, making ongoing education essential for effectiveness. True ethical hacking goes far beyond simply using security tools. While tools are important, the real skill lies in understanding underlying principles, thinking creatively about system weaknesses, and developing innovative approaches to find vulnerabilities that automated tools might miss. Becoming a skilled ethical hacker requires mastering four fundamental skill areas. These core competencies form the foundation of cybersecurity expertise. Networking forms the backbone of cybersecurity. Understanding how data flows across networks, how protocols communicate, and how systems connect is essential for identifying vulnerabilities and attack vectors. Linux mastery is crucial for ethical hackers, as most security tools run on Linux systems. Combined with programming skills in Python and Bash, you can automate tasks, create custom tools, and understand system internals. Security concepts form the theoretical foundation of ethical hacking. Understanding cryptography, common vulnerabilities, and attack methodologies helps you think like both an attacker and defender. Quality learning resources are essential for building these skills. Online platforms offer structured courses, while certifications validate your knowledge and demonstrate competency to employers. Hands-on practice is crucial for developing real-world skills. Specialized platforms provide safe legal environments to practice hacking techniques against intentionally vulnerable systems. Building your own lab environment is essential for safe legal practice. A proper lab setup allows you to experiment with tools and techniques without risking legal issues or damaging production systems. Ethical considerations are paramount in cybersecurity. Always practice responsible disclosure when finding vulnerabilities, respect others' systems, and remember that your skills should be used to protect and defend, not to cause harm.